Have you ever wanted to extract high-quality individual stems from any song? Whether you need isolated vocals, drums, or bass, today I'm going to show you an easy tool for the job. It's called Ultimate Vocal Remover V5 or UVR5. It's professional, completely free, and makes creating perfect stems incredibly easy. First things first, head over to their official website or the GitHub page. UVR5 is completely open source and works on both Windows and Mac. Just download the installer for your system, follow the quick setup instructions, and you're good to go. Once you open the app, you'll see a clean, intuitive interface. Start by selecting your input file, the track you want to process, and then choose an output folder for your new stems. Oh, the real magic happens in the processing methods where you can choose from different AI models. Demucs, best for full stem separation. MDX Net, best for really precise vocal extraction. You can also tweak settings like segment size or enable GPU conversion for much faster processing. When you're ready, hit start processing and the AI will analyze the track. It cleanly splits the audio into vocals, drums, bass, and other instruments. This is perfect for creating acapellas or karaoke tracks, isolating drums or bass to give them more punch in a mix. The stems are super clean and ready to be dropped into your DAW for remixing, sampling, or practice. Here you can see all 4 tracks, one each for bass, drums, vocals, and other, which means the rest of the instruments. Now you can edit each one individually.